A Canberra shoe store has taken out the top prize in Small Business Awards. The long-standing family business recognised for its innovative business model and contributions to our community.
Since 1973, Civic Shoes has been delivering the entire package when it comes to men's footwear.
We try to merge the old classic shoe repair store to the latest technology store, and that's make us something different on that industry.
We take care of bag repairs and all types of leather work as well. So we cover all forms. We can actually sew the shoe and we can actually look after it after the event.
Originally opened by Miltiadis's father back in the 70s, the store has now taken a more modern direction after he took over the reins 20 years ago.
I brought out the 3D scanner, measure your feet on 52 different measurements, and we can do bespoke, custom-made shoes for men.
Civic Shoes has now been recognised as Specialised Retail Business and Business of the Year in the Canberra region. The award's even more meaningful with Miltiadis's father passing away just days before the event.
We're very proud we got those awards, and I dedicated those awards to my father, Nick. We opened that business in '73.
The award's a vote of confidence in a business passionate about blending traditions with the designs of today.
Both of us learnt from people that learnt the trade with respect to making shoes initially. So we've got an idea of how the shoe's built even before we have to repair it, which makes a big difference.
Natasha McFarlane, Win News.
Melissa.